Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Y'all know what went down yesterday, the thing with my neighbor. Um, so actually, I don't really know what to do because I don't told y'all I didn't want to be like completely friends with her. Like, you know, like, like after everything wouldn't be the same. I also told my bestie that because I'm gonna tell her the truth, but that's not what I told the neighbor. So, and I'm like freezing out here because it's like so cold out here and I have no jacket on. I just got my makeup done earlier. Um, that's not what I told my neighbor. Today she comes to me or whatever. I'm probably just gonna tell her like my mom, still doesn't want us to hang out. You everything that went down. Let's just say that our parents said that we're not allowed to hang out. So yeah, so I'm just gonna tell her that my mom still says it like this for hang out. My mom is supposed to be coming to pick me up soon. My mom and my sister. And I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. Sorry. We're just like fooling. But we're going somewhere. I just don't know where. Oh, there's so many red birds. One, two. Okay, not that many, but two red birds. I've never seen. Oh, but yeah. So we'll just see how the day goes. And I'll hit you guys up. But I guess now, since I've just started the video, you guys can come in to make me some breakfast. I'm gonna try to make me some eggs, but if we even have any, I pray we do. Okay, so all I got in there is this spoon. I don't know what that is. I just think there's eggs inside of it. And my bestie might maybe not today or tomorrow. But yeah, I did it So I noticed my last video that I posted on cleaning my room got 411 views, and then my subscribers have been going up a lot. Okay, I just looked. I have 30 subscribers, guys. Alright, guys, we are going to cook these eggs. I don't know what time they're gonna pick me up, but okay, guys. There's my sister is getting married, and I'm the bridesmaid, and I just got my dress. So I can't show you until I get to do a get ready with me for the wedding. I'll do a get ready with me for the wedding. And then you guys can see. Let's go ahead and find a pan somewhere. We're just gonna use this one. That'll be fine. It was used for these anyways. I got that song stuck in my head. Let's probably. I'm just gonna set this up to high. Oh my gosh. Real quick. Let me in your arms again. When makes me shiver. Anyways, if y'all see that you're crazy, you guys see that smoke? Is that bad? I honestly don't know, guys. Is that bad or good? Yes. Wait, the sun anymore? Okay, we're good. Alright, we got two eggs. Now let's put them in. Okay. Should I make yolk or scrambled? We'll go with yolk. What do you want? Okay, my eggs look constipated right now. Even though I have pasta. Oh, I can't do it. Let me just turn the oven down to in between 6 and 8. I still go. If y'all ever see my double chin, just know, just don't look it. Just leave off. Don't ever look at my double chin. Originally, this is how my face supposed to be. Don't just. But I always stick my face out, so it doesn't really look like that. Not gonna be a good day. Okay, I got my plate. That looks nasty. There's a bowl. It might be good. It smells good. It just don't look good. Alright, second egg. Okay. Oh, hey, almost fun. Ah, I popped it. Yeah. What? Let me scramble. Dude. Okay, that's all. Push the diesel. Okay. Let me get me a little fork. Well, I gotta go put the rest of these. And we have to have a drink with. Just got this out on the fridge. Alright, let's go. Okay, got the pepper. Tiny bit. Don't need a lot. Salt. Alright, make sure that I get the eggs. Okay. They're actually really good. Besides for the burnt pieces. Alright, wash it down. Alright, let's try. Yep. I got a nail on my finger. Needs a little bit more pepper. A little bit more salt. That's good. If I wasn't that lazy, I'd make me another one, but I'm not lazy. It's just I don't know what time they're gonna be home. Well, that's all I mean. Now wash it down. That's good. This video is only 10 minutes long, guys, but um, I got a surprise for y'all. Yes, 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 another one. It starts with a P and ends with a T, and it's coming out when my bestie. Y'all can like try to guess it in the comments, and if it's the right one, then I'll comment on that one and tell you. But if it's wrong, then I'll comment on that one and tell you guys it's wrong. Y'all go guess. Yeah, it's gonna be super fun, and yeah. Also, guys, this it's not. Oh, it does kind of hurt my ear. I have my wisdom teeth growing right now, so that's cutting and stretching my gums, and it hurts so bad. I've been taking Tylenol, pain relief, everything you can imagine, because I just want the pain to stop. Coffee helps it stop being painful, and this, I guess, because of how cold it is, it kind of stops the pain. Someone's at the front door, but I do not know who. My dog is growling. Let's go look. It's my sister and my mom. Let me know what you want. They're back. They went in their rooms, so I'm only out here again. Excuse me. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and I don't have it any time. But that's okay. I got meat and cheese. You know, I don't really know what to do anymore. It's a dance. Well, I made the dance, and none of y'all have clipped it yet. So, like, what are you doing, cuz? Clip it, cuz. Yeah, but y'all guess, like, y'all guess. Starts with a P, ends with a T. Coming out soon. Me and my bestie. Pretty obvious hint. Oh, and let me show y'all the fit. Okay, so the shoes, the Uggs are from wherever. I guess I don't know. These pants are from. I don't know. I got them from somebody, a friend. And this shirt is from Factory Connection. I cut it. It was too long. And then these glasses are from Temu, I think. Temu or Walmart. And then these earrings are from Shein. I think this also probably from Walmart. And yeah, let me know. Does the fit eat? Thank you guys for 30 subscribers already, bro. My dream is to become a big famous YouTuber. And that's why I post a lot. And because I like posting videos, literally the only thing that I really enjoy besides hanging out with my bestie. Yo, and uh, no, no, probably not. Until maybe later, because my computer is dead. But it was. It was fully charged. Well, not fully charged, but I was in the middle of it. But I don't know what to do. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much. You can just guess. Okay? It's all my time. I guess I didn't say it because my hair was right there. Anyways, bye, guys. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.